In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use GitHub with Visual Studio Code. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into it. To get started with GitHub Codespaces in Visual Studio Code, you'll first need to ensure you have the GitHub Codespaces extension installed. This allows you to manage and develop your projects right from Visual Studio Code instead of just the GitHub web interface. Before we proceed, make sure that your version of Visual Studio Code is up to date. Specifically, you need to have version 1.51 or later, which was released in October 2020. You can find and install the Codespaces extension through the Visual Studio Marketplace. Once you have installed the Codespaces extension, let's connect your GitHub account. Open Visual Studio Code and look for the activity bar, and click on the Remote Explorer icon. If the Remote Explorer isn't showing up, you can access the command palette by pressing Shift-Command-P on a Mac or Control-Shift-P on Windows or Linux. Then simply type Details and select Codespaces Details. Next, you'll want to sign in to GitHub. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and authenticate your account. You'll be prompted to allow Visual Studio Code to access your GitHub account. Just click on the Authorize button to proceed and follow any additional instructions on the authorization page. With your account connected, you're ready to create a codespace. Again, head back to the Remote Explorer icon. If you need to, use the command palette as before and select Codespaces Details. There, hover over the Remote Explorer sidebar and click on the plus sign to create a new codespace. In the text box, type in the name of the repository you wish to work on and select it from the drop-down list. You'll see a prompt regarding which branch you want to develop on. Go ahead and select that. If you're prompted to choose a development container configuration file, pick one from the list and then select the machine type you'd like to use. Keep in mind that the options available may vary based on your organization's settings or the repository's specifications. Now, to open your codespace in Visual Studio Code, simply hover over the codespace you want to work in and click on the connection icon that looks like a plug. If you need to change the machine type of your codespace, that's easy too. Open the command palette and look for Codespaces, Change Machine Type. Select the machine type you want to use. Be aware that if you switch to a machine with different storage capacity, a prompt will ask you to confirm before proceeding. If you find yourself needing to delete a codespace, you can do that directly from Visual Studio Code. Make sure you're not currently in a codespace, then go back to the Remote Explorer, right-click on the codespace you want to delete, and choose Delete Codespace. And finally, if you're interested in exploring the Insider's build of Visual Studio Code, you can easily switch versions in the web client. Just click on the gear icon in the bottom left corner of the browser window and select Switch to Insider's version. This will allow you to use the latest features and improvements as they're developed. And there you have it. You're now set up to use GitHub with Visual Studio Code. Happy coding, and remember to subscribe for more help.